A Mata-Mata turtle heads from the muddy bank towards clearer waters in search of food. The Mata-Mata is propelled along the riverbed by the current, searching for somewhere that meets its needs. The Mata-Mata turtle is an expert aquatic hunter, employing camouflage and ambush. Its hunting methods require patience in the extreme. Once it's found its hiding place, its motionless vigil begins. While the turtle hides in plain sight, stock still, the fish grow in confidence. Eventually, they will let their guard down and get too close to the patient hunter. Then, without knowing how or why, one after the other, they disappear into a mouth that moves so quickly, it's hard to see. While a deadly game of hide-and-seek is played out in the crystal-clear springs, out on the plains, the heat increases.